All right, it is another van tour Tuesday, and we are starting this one off in the SEA pop top that we've installed on a Sprinter 170. This is El Capitan tier. A little bit about this pop top: it's super easy to put up and take down. It does have the bug screens in here that obviously will keep the bugs out, but allow plenty of airflow throughout here. LED lights on the side lighting it up. We've got 300 watts of solar mounted to the roof of this bad boy. And then the max air fan is going to allow for ventilation. It'll also help when you are closing the pop top. If you close all of the windows upstairs and downstairs, and then the max air fan will cause a suction effect, pulling the fabric in as it closes so that that doesn't get damaged. All right, let me show you the rest of the van. This van has the upgraded rim and tire package. So these are the Black Rhino Arsenals in matte black. We've also got the Nitto Ridge Grapplers on here. This is a really rugged tire that's really going to hold up well for you. Around the front, the bumper is a CA-tuned bumper. We've got the Warren winch in there. That's the Evo VR12S. And the D-ring shackles up front. We've got perimeter lighting all the way around the van. So this van has the CRL T-vent window on both sides of the van, the driver forward and the sliding door. Both of these flaps will come out, giving you airflow while you're in the van. They're great though when it's raining. You can get that fresh air without the rain getting in the van. The pop-outs are from Van Speed. These are going to give you additional space on the inside of the van, an additional 5.5 inches on the passenger side and 6 inches on the driver's side. Okay, moving around to the back. The Los Saguaro tire carrier is carrying that spare tire. And in the garage, the pull-out tray is from Flatline. I absolutely love this product. It's super heavy duty. They can hold up to 500 pounds. Flatline is just coming out with such great products. They also make the roof rack on this van. So in the electrical compartment, we have 800 amp hours of battery. There's also an air compressor in here. So you'll be able to pump up your bike tires or even your van tires on the go if you get a flat. In the water compartment on the passenger side, that is a 33-gallon over-the-wheel well water tank from Northwest Conversions. It makes such a high-quality product, great to work with. The outdoor shower port. Our customers absolutely love this because you can hose off if you get muddy, if your dogs get muddy, clean things off before you get into the van. Those are super useful to have. This outdoor folding table just turned out gorgeous. That wood just chef's kiss. The magnets we use on these are super strong. They are absolutely going to hold that in place while you're driving. Stepping inside, the headliner shelf is from Van Wife. That additional storage up there is super useful to have. It does have the curtain rod on here for a privacy curtain or an insulation curtain. Scopema swivel seats on the driver and passenger side, allowing those seats to swivel all the way around. The lagoon table is super functional in a small space like this. It can tuck away. The tabletops that we make for this do fold out, giving you additional table space here. And of course, we include the cup holder in the center there. This table space is super useful in this area because this bench swivels around into a nice little dining area. When it's not being used, it just pushes back. And there is a little locking rod on there to ensure that that doesn't move while you're driving. The telescoping ladder, we have included a space here with a Velcro strap so that that doesn't move around while you're driving. That would be dangerous. In the cupboard up above is where the Starlink is located in this van, as well as the control panel here with the water pump, shower drain, and the heater. Beautiful tiled, this is real tile, beautiful tiled shower in here. The shower heads that we use do have a stop and go function on them, which does allow you to save water when you're showering. In the bottom of the shower is the Lavio Dry Flush. Lavio is such a great product. It works very similar to a diaper genie. It will cinch off and seal off any refuse in there. No leaking, no smells, no spills. The waterproof cover on top will keep your toilet clean while you're in the shower. Next to the shower, we have the closet. We've got storage up top and then garment rack hanging down below. This is a queen size mattress. It is a super plush memory foam mattress. You're going to sleep great in this baby, especially right underneath that Nomadic AC unit. That thing is powerful. It was designed specifically for off-grid use and does not need shore power to run. Above the driver's side of the bed, we have the overhead hanging cabinets. These are from Van Wife. I love this product. If you have it open, you've got storage here. It zips open, zips closed. If you're not using these, they do fold down and completely so that you can stash those away. They also have the carrying strap with them. You can keep all of your go stuff in here if you have like a bag for stuff you want to take down to the beach or to the river. You could just grab this, go, you get back, you can just hang it back up. These are super convenient. I could not recommend this product more, especially hanging over the bed because they are still really soft. So if you do accidentally hit your head, it's not going to give you a big old goose egg. On the other side are the traditional overhead cabinets. Additional storage down below, drawer space, cupboard space. The stainless steel fridge freezer combo is built in right underneath the double induction cooktop, which is built into this beautiful acacia butcher block countertop. Up above, the built-in microwave for all of your hot pocket needs. This van does have 2 faucets in here. This is going to be for your potable water, and then this one will filter that water using 3 steps. So it's going to use carbon to filter out all of the particles. It's going to use UV to kill all of the bacteria, and then it uses ozone to kill any bad smells and flavors. So this is putting out absolutely delicious water. And of course, the pop-up countertop, giving you just a little more space in here. Thank you so much for joining me on this Van Tour Tuesday. We'll see you next week.